Here's how to set up a site in Dreamweaver. Click on Site and then New Site, and just give it a name here. I'm going to call it Wheelies 3 because this is a duplicate of one I'm doing already. Now we're going to find a folder on our hard drive where we want to save these files. You'll want to put this somewhere in your My Documents folder. I clump all of the websites I work on in a folder called Websites, and then I create a new folder for each, and I'm just going to call it, just going to give it a random name like that. And so it's going to be in My Documents, Websites, WZH 3, and I'm going to select that folder. Then click on Servers. We're going to add a new server, so click on the plus sign, and I'm going to call it WHZ3. It doesn't matter what you call it, really. The FTP address typically is ftp.wheelies.com or whatever the domain name is. Username you'll get from your web host. Password, again, you'll get from your web host, as well as the root directory, which often is public _HTML. Sometimes it's webs, depends on how the server is configured. Now I'm going to have to clean this up a little bit because normally you want the web URL to just be www. Whatever the domain name is. Actually, the www is optional. But so make sure that's just the URL to the site. Click on Save. And let's also select testing here. So remote and testing are selected. We're going to save this again. Now, if you want to get the entire site from the server, you can just right-click here and select Get. But if it's a massive site and you only need to work on a few files, here's a shortcut. You can click on the icon for Expand to show local and remote sites. And then here's the icon for connecting. So go ahead and click on that. And then here are all the files that are sitting on the server. If you're only going to work on one of them, you can right-click it and get it. Now, Dreamweaver hopefully will prompt you should dependent files be included in the transfer. Generally, that's a good idea to do that so the page will look correct with all the images and related files. So I'm going to click on Yes here. So now once all the files have downloaded, you can open up the one that you are looking to edit by double-clicking on it. And once it opens up, let's see, I'm going to get rid of this Files panel here. You can edit your page to your heart's content, then go up here and put the file back to the server, kind of the same as uploading. Notice that the keyboard shortcut for that is Control-Shift-U, U for upload, but Dreamweaver calls it put. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up on the server with all my changes, and that is how it's done.